To get better at line art, the first thing we need to do as well, get better at drawing lines. Pretty obvious, right? So we are going to draw a lot of lines in a lot of ways. I have also attached this practice file in the comment below. Feel free to download it. I'm drawing a line from the point itself. You can draw it in the darker shade or lighter shade. If you notice, you can see that the lines in this area are better than the rest of the ones I've drawn, which means that my hand moves more comfortably in this direction. So we now know that this area is mostly comfortable to move my wrist in. Now we are going to draw starting anywhere from the canvas to the point itself. This might seem a little bit difficult at first, but it gets easy, I promise. We can also draw lines crossing the this is the wrong one. Let us use 2-point here. Don't worry, you can go past the points. All you need to do is erase the extra part. Don't forget to rotate your canvas as well. Get to know which angle works the best for you. Here's the actual way of passing a line to the point. I have put these random dots all over the page, and what we are going to do is connect these dots to make random shapes. Again, feel free to rotate your canvas. Notice how it feels when you change it to different angles. Since we have practiced enough with the points, we can draw thick and thin lines. It's basically just drawing lines with different brush sizes. You might be thinking, what's the purpose of drawing the same line with different brush sizes? Well, my answer is that you use thicker lines for the gesture drawing while you use thicker strokes for final line art. Thick to thin lines, I usually prefer drawing thin to thick for some reason. It's almost impossible for me to go from thick to thin. Remember, when you're practicing this and at some point if your hand feels numb or your wrist starts hurting, make sure to stop at that point. Never try to outdo yourself, especially when your body is giving you signals to stop. I want you to listen to your body, especially if you want to work as an artist for a long time. So always be careful, okay? Now we are drawing lines parallel to each other. Even in this one, you can subtly see that the line in the middle is more perfect than those I draw as I go farther from the middle of my body, because the center of my gravity is present there, resulting in a much straighter line. Let's draw some curved lines now. We are starting with thick curves and thin ones, followed by small simple curves. Feel free to cover the whole canvas with it. It doesn't matter if it looks ugly or isn't aesthetic enough. We are here to just let go and get our hands moving. Don't stress out and just keep your hands flowing and drawing it in different sizes and angles, making it thicker or thinner, or drawing it in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. At this point, I'm just playing around. I'm placing dots again on the canvas. This one's a bit difficult because we will be passing the curve through 3 points. You will actually feel the need to rotate your canvas to make this one work. Always remember, if you're trying something new and it's not easy, then it doesn't mean you are not good at it, but that you are in the learning process. Next, I'm drawing curves on the XY axis. You can draw them parallel to each other or all of them coming out of the origin, or any way you like. Also, I forgot to mention this. Try drawing bigger strokes with the help of your arm and the smaller ones with the wrist itself. Figure out which movements work better in which circumstances for you while you do this exercise. Next is the circles. I'm going to start with the small ones and then I'm going to draw the big ones. You can also make combination of both the big and small, like placing one circle inside another circle, drawing with less amount of pressure, or darker ones with more pressure. Yeah, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed doing these exercises and learned something from it. I'll be making the next video on gesture drawing and structure to help you understand better about figure drawing. See you soon!